Hello everyone, Wilson here and welcome back to my channel. I got invited by one of the SLK forum members to attend a classic car meet in Henley-On-Thames. So I'm going to go there and check it out, see what it's all about. Right, let's hit the road. Okay, so I've arrived. Let's go out and see who we got. Right, let's get out of the car. Right, so looks quite busy actually at the moment, and I can spot that's Ian's SLK. So I can't get hold of him. I don't know where he is, but that's his car. Well, since we're here, let's have a scan of his AMG. I hope you don't mind. Well, he's cleaned it. Nice and clean. Although it's been raining all the way up here. Lovely. And of course, not forgetting mine as well. Parked in the corner away from everyone. Some nice collection of cars. Renault, Megane, Porsche. Got some Fiesta, MG. Oh, is that a DC5 Type R? Lovely. And a couple of Beamers here. Look at this beauty. I've no idea what it is. Couple of classic AC Cobras here. Check out this V8. Ford V8. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? And not forgetting this green beauty as well. Look at this one. Look, lovely interior. Check out these Mark 1 Escorts. Ford Cortina. And the lovely Capri. Laser. It's not a 2.8, I believe. No, it's not. Focus RS. Lovely MG here. Honda Civic and a classic Porsche 911.
Yeah. So we're going
Lovely looking Maserati. And it's for sale as well. TT Part 1. Looking nice. Lovely looking Porsche. Not sure, I'm not a Porsche expert, I'm not sure what this one is. Let's have a look. Is it a GT? GT3 is it? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's GT3. The standard GT3, not the RS, I believe. Yeah, still nice. And then we have a lovely looking Mercedes SL. Lovely classic 280 SL actually. Beautiful condition, look at that. Immaculate interior. Lovely interior. Is that yours?
No.
Oh, right. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, yeah.
Still sell it to you.
Yeah. I can't afford it.
That's the wrong statement.
Another lovely looking Porsche GT3 RS. Well, not RS, just normal GT3. And these are rare. Lancia Delta Integrale car. That was probably the 80s rally spec. Lovely. Don't really see many of these around. Yeah, lovely interior. I remember racing one of these in Sega Rally game console back when I was you know, long time ago actually. TR6 MG again, yeah. And got some modern ones, modern classics over here. Well, I wouldn't call them classic, but BMWs. I think I have seen one classic. You can't miss this one. I'm coming up to it now. This is a future classic. Ford Escort RS Cosy with a big whale tail. Nice. Ford Cortina. Let's check out this Cosy. Mark 1 Escort. Is that an R? It was an RS 2000 as well. Look at that. They're rare. And we have a classic BMW M Z3M, I believe this is. Yeah. Lovely classic Alfa Romeo, parked next to a 911E Porsche. What's this one here then? Austin Healey. Yeah, lovely. Look at that. Austin Healey. I think it is. Yes, it is. It's good. Nice. Oh, yeah, Ian.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just vlogging.
No, it's all right.
We have Neil here from our SLK forum Facebook group, and he's got a lovely looking 171 SLK. Look at that. Lovely. Oh, roof in action. Nice.
Seating good. Oh, right. What you want to do?
They're getting redone.
All right, I was going to say.
They're getting reupholstered. That nice
Is-
price.
Can you not get it refurbed? Is that an option for those
He
seats?
said he could do a. Trouble is doing bit panel sides
Yeah.
stick out
Yeah.
from the rest.
Yeah.
So he said, if you're going to keep the car,
Yeah.
get them done,
Right.
which is fair enough. I think it was only 250 in the black and white,
Yeah.
Right.
and 250 in the white and white. So they're quite.
Yeah.
Again, I've seen one at Simply Mercedes.
Yeah. You've got a similar sort of, I think they're called Designo seats.
Yes, yeah.
Dual colour. Mine's beige and black. So
The thing
yeah,
I've got to
more or
try and
less.
Find out. You have to take the roof off, disconnect the battery, then unbolt the seats. So, but I say I've got them. That wing wasn't too bad actually. That was £300.
That's not bad. Not bad. And the bracket, the rusty bracket, was it in here, under there? And that's what's coming through, is it? I'm guessing.
I mean, my rear bumper when I got it replaced was, I think it was about 600. But there was another sort of 600-700.
In this corner, nice BMW. BMW 3 Series, E30. This one looks like it's still been worked on. A Capri. Capri chassis, I think. Yeah, it is a Capri chassis. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to be worked on, but yeah. What's this here? Ford. I'm not familiar. This one is a Ford. I know that. And a few Mark 1 Golfs here. Mark 2 sitting right next behind it. Mark 2. That's a converted one. And another Mark 1 here. Look at this beauty. Honda Civic S. Looks like it's turbocharged. Turbo Technics. I've never seen one of these on the road. Look at that, it's classic, isn't it? Let's have a look inside it. Any JDM fans here? Got a magazine feature as well, so yeah, turbocharged. What's the horsepower is it running? Let's have a look. .5 bar it's running, I can see. Don't say the horsepower. Lovely looking Alpine. A610 turbo. Let's check out the engine. V6 turbo. Looking nice. Check out this Civic. Don't let the name fool you. Civic ESI. That's not what you think it is. Let's have a look at the front. The engine bay will give it away. Great big massive turbo. I bet this one will pump out a bit of a horsepower. See you again, bye bye. Neil's going in his lovely looking 171 SLK. Lovely VX220. I wonder if it's a turbo or a NA. Is it a turbo or the NA?
No, normally aspirate.
No, 2.2. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. My mate's got the turbo one of these. A blue one.
Nice. I think
yeah.
the turbo ones be very interesting because we try to build that in that little chassis.
Well, he's tuned his. My friend's one's he's put a hybrid turbo on it, a KO4 hybrid, and I think he's running. I can't remember. It's probably close to 300, maybe a bit more. But I've been in it and it was a handful on the wet.
It's got to be almost undrivable with 300 horsepower in that little thing.
Yeah, definitely.
That is brilliant because it's almost
just the right power. Yeah. Just enough to get the back end round.
You can spoon it around on the roads.
Yeah.
The only thing you notice, I'll be honest, the roads are terrible. And so you really want to be using this sort of thing on a track because every single bump, you have a pebble, you feel it.
Yeah.
if you're going to go on a long journey, you're going to run, you're going to
Yeah, go
run out of patience.
Yeah,
really
exactly.
quick.
Yeah,
'Cause it's not the most comfortable ride.
it's just a weekend toy, isn't it?
Yeah,
yeah.
Track that. I'd say certainly a track that.
Yeah. Got an S2000 just turned up. Lovely. These will be future classics, I think. Alright, Ian's leaving as well in his 55. Hopefully it doesn't rain, he's putting the roof down. You might have to put it back up soon. Through a few raindrops. Right, the roof's coming back up. It's literally just started to rain. Didn't last very long. See ya, take care. Right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little classic car meet. Various Marques here, as you saw in my video. You know, not just classics, but moderns as well, modern classics as well. So I'm off now, Ian's off, and also Neil from the SLK forum is also off. Just leaves me to it, to have a nice little wet journey home as it's starting to rain. Thanks guys, see you again soon, bye bye.